National President ke NPP ubaderu Menteri Rangba ke Jalau laong bana kalyang ke NPP kam sngew hap satya baka Sarkar India kan wanra da kaan salonsar hakabay day baka jinget ho kentiu kurim kahial pateng kapelat san shiing haka reeling ba kata ka uniform civil code ulaong na markari India ka ri ka jinget nyam kalong ka babunjat badru kikin hun jat benriu na kalyang ke NPP ka kwa bakan ne kumba kalong menta na markani ka dehi ka jinglong tanrai ka ri Ulaong ru bakumbang itip baka jala kadai kabakinong syangsnong kishim jat bat ai pateng syakalyang ka kenthei ban penkalai kani na kalyang ka NPP kam mynjur satya.
The Uniform Civil Code, according to the National People's Party, I'm talking from a party point of view as of now, it goes against the actual idea of India itself. India is a diverse nation, and the diversity is what is our strength. Of course, we don't know what will happen in the sense that what kind of bill will come out if it does come out. So, without seeing the actual content of a draft, if it comes out, it will be difficult to go into details. But as I said, from a basic concept point of view, as I said, we are a matrilineal society, for example, and that is what our strength has been, and that is what our culture has been. Now, that cannot be changed for us, and definitely that's something that, as a political party, we realize that the entire Northeast, for the matter of fact, has got a unique culture and unique ways of our society, and hence we would want that to remain, and we would not want that to be touched. So therefore, we'll have to see how the bill, if it comes out, it will be, and the actual language in the bill. But as a concept in its own, as I said, it's something that does not go with the entire idea of India being, as I said, a diverse nation, and diversity being our strength and our identity, and hence a uniform civil code will go against that idea, is what the National People's Party feels.